North Lauderdale man is being held in the Broward County Jail charged with murder for a deadly shooting.
Deputies say they were actually called to a house early yesterday morning.
Inside, they found a woman who had been shot to death and the defendant. Local 10's Leanne Montehong is live with charges he's now facing. Leanne.
And the Broward Sheriff's Office says that the person they believe is responsible was apprehended very shortly after.
Welcome back to the channel, to all my loyal viewers and subscribers, and welcome to all the new viewers. Now in today's video, we're going to talk about an incident that took place in Lauderdale, Florida, where a man who goes by the name Robert Anthony Edley, he's a Jamaican who shot and unalived his common-law girlfriend. But guess what? This is not the first time Robert had taken the life of a female. A couple of years back in Jamaica, he did the same crime. He was only given 10 years for that loss of life. He was then released from prison, and somehow he got a visa and came to the United States of America, where he committed the same crime. So before we talk about this incident in Florida, let us backtrack and look at his first victim in Jamaica. If you look on your screen now, you can see a picture of the female life that he took whilst he was in Jamaica. It is said that this female was his common-law wife, right? Him and her have a dispute, and he used a knife to inflict multiple wounds to the female, taking her life on the spot. It is said that Robert then left the house and went to the police station, well blood up with the knife and everything. Informed the police of what he did. He was subsequently charged for the loss of life of the female and went to prison. I hear things say he would get life sentence, right? So he wouldn't be out in the public to commit the next atrocity again. But guess what? For some strange reason, he had only received 10 years in prison. Because to my understanding of the law, if you was charged with murder, you would get life sentence. Life sentence don't mean your natural life. It can mean 30, 35, 40 years imprisonment. However, he had only received 10 years. So, based on that, it is fair to say he was not convicted of the loss of life of this female. Maybe he was convicted of a lesser charge, maybe manslaughter, because really and truly, I'm not aware of the circumstances of that incident. It can be altercation, but however, the female loses her life and him get 10 years in prison. That's the main point of it. We don't really want to hear what really happened or how it really happened, but that's just the gist of it. He received 10 years, come back a road and come do the same thing again. However, the caveat is, it was rumored that a politician in Jamaica helped Robert to leave Jamaica upon his completion of his tenure in prison. And everybody would have think that you commit a crime like this before you get a second chance of life. You come out, you leave the island, you come to America, and you commit the same crime again. Obviously, no rehabilitation had taken place, and a degenerate like this should be put in front of the firing squad. There's no two-way about it. Because if you do it before and get away, because getting 10 years for your loss of life is basically you get away with murder. Basically, you get away with murder. So, because him do it already and him get away with it, him feel like say him can do it again. And you can see, in the second incident, at the same modus operandi him doing, the same way him operate, the same way it happen. But it's just a different tool. Because in the second incident in Florida, he used a firearm. We're going to play a video and you listen to the details and then we're going to break down the actual fact of the case so you guys can have a better understanding as to what really took place.
North Lauderdale man is being held in the Broward County Jail charged with murder for a deadly shooting.
Deputies say they were actually called to a house early yesterday morning.
Inside, they found a woman who had been shot to death and the defendant. Local 10's Leanne Montehong is live with charges he's now facing. Leanne.
And the Broward Sheriff's Office says that the person they believe is responsible was apprehended very shortly after. 59-year-old Robert Headley faces charges of second-degree murder with a firearm and aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
I do find probable cause on both counts.
Detectives with the Broward Sheriff's Office say Headley shot and killed a woman early Sunday morning in North Lauderdale. A 911 call came in shortly before 4:30 Sunday morning, reporting possible gunfire along the 1100 block of Sussex Drive in North Lauderdale. When they arrived, they found a woman inside an apartment had been shot multiple times. She was pronounced dead at the scene. Detectives say Headley was still in the immediate area after the shooting and was swiftly taken into custody. A day later, he appeared before a bond court judge.
Count one, you're going to be held no bond. Count two, your bond's going to be $20,000. I'm ordering no victim contact on count two and no crimes perpetrated. I'm ordering the penalty of the case.
And we're still working to confirm the identity of the victim in this case, as well as her relationship, if any, to Headley. Reporting in North Lauderdale, Leanne Morejon, Local 10 News.
All right.
So the real details of the case go like this. On Sunday, September the 17th, 2023, at approximately 4:28 a.m., the Broward County Police received a telephone call. So basically, Headley, that I see Robert, him call 911, identify himself as Robert Headley, stated that he just shot and killed his girlfriend. He stated that we had an argument and I shot her. Upon arrival at the police them locate the female inside of the house, lie down flat at the bathroom door, with multiple gunshot wounds to the head and her chest. She did have her clothes up her upper body, however she never have her clothes down at the bottom. So you see the trend. The fact that in the first case, when he about the female, he run to the station, and now him full of 1 year gunshot, and then him call the police by himself. So him not run. So after him do the incident, then him don't run. Him just turning himself to the police without incident. At the time of the incident, the female never lived by herself. She had a roommate. The roommate was home and the roommate boyfriend was also at home. During the whole incident, the female, which is her roommate, said she there in her room, she heard the gunshot. She heard the argument out there with them before. She never got there. Afterwards, she heard a couple gunshot. She said her boyfriend out there. Her boyfriend also have a firearm. So the boyfriend, so when time him go out there and look, him see Robert with the gun in her hand and a talk on the phone. Him ask the youth what the address for the place where him there. Where him actually commit the crime, him ask the youth what the address for the youth. Now I tell him. So him stay something like him and point him gun for the youth, but the youth also have a gun. So if I tell the youth say yo, him gonna shoot him, and the youth never shoot, because me have my gun, you have your gun. Them time I'm on the phone with the 911, and them attack all of them things over the audio, so the police can't hear, Because obviously, him got the female yard, maybe they might have sex, and for whatever reason, it end up that she end up lose her life based on his doings. So when the youth come out now and see what go on now, the youth end up run go back in their place and thing, lock up and thing. When the police come now, him hand over the firearm, turn over himself to the police, like nothing, and them know say yo, she there in the lie down, flat out. And every time you think say it couldn't get no worse, guess what the problem? When the police them reach at the house, he might tell the police them say yo, he need to call him wife and feed him son at his home, and tell them what him do, because he fear retaliation from the female here family and friends. So basically, this man is a married man, Him got the girl yard, him and the girl in an argument for whatever reason him take her life. And then he must say he want to protect female family at his home. Tell me how that makes sense now. So you go cheat by your actual wife at home, commit some form of atrocity, and then you tell the police them say you fear for them life after you just take a next female life. I don't know how that makes sense. Or maybe me not say right. So you guys let me know in the comment section what you think about this. So to me, the moral of this story, is if Jamaican justice system did hold Robert down at Jamaica in a prison, make him serve some hard time for the first crime he commit, he wouldn't be on the road now to commit such a next heinous crime again. And that always a bit Jamaican society. The justice system is too lax. is too relaxed. The judge them now put on the full force of the law on the criminals them in the country. Because this man a kill a female already. I know him get a chance to commit the same crime again. And a multiple time we see it, enough time we see. Judge Sykes them and the whole of them down at Supreme Court, whole of them down at Gun Court, the whole of them in the RM court them, in the parish them. I release the criminal, get the criminal them, police get them, lock them up, put case against them, and then for some reason, them and them lawyer can beat the system, for them can come back out on the streets and commit more crime again. Want telling this, you know. You see, all of the crime when you say I go on to Jamaica is a small percentage of person who go about the island and commit the crime. Them. Jamaica have a whole heap of people who commit the crime. Them, you know? It's a small minority of people who commit the crime. Them. But guess what? Them now get the time in a prison. So when them go to prison and come back, it's just like a free reign for commit crime again. Over and over. You know much man who commit too much crime in Jamaica where me and you guys know get released and they back on the road again if you can commit the same crime again. Them need to be zero tolerance. The justice, the judge them need to be zero tolerance when they come on to certain crime. Because as you can see, you know, it appears the society and Jamaica now gonna get better if the justice system, you know, overall. Me I talk about from police to judge to everybody, politician, everybody. Because everybody have a role for playing at this. And if this man did there prison now, he wouldn't be able to commit the crime. So, you guys let me know how you feel about this in the comment section. If you don't know him, let me know about it, what you feel about it in the comment section. As you can see, the paperwork is on the screen. I'm not going to go through all like. So if you don't want, you can pause the video and go through the video, go through the paperwork and see exactly what really happened. Because this is just an tragic, unfortunate situation that could have been avoided if we did do what we do the first time. If we do the right thing the first time. So if you agree with what I say, you let me know in the comment section. If you disagree with what I say, you let me know in the comment section so we can have a discussion. Like I always say, remember to hug your loved ones. See you in the next video.